Welcome to Tesla India Updates. This channel is about the Tesla updates and problems only for India. So, if you are a fan of Tesla cars, like this video, send your queries through comments and subscribe to the channel for future updates. If any one of your friends are interested in electric cars or ICE cars, share this video to them. This video is about ownership cost comparison between Tesla Model 3, Honda City and Hyundai Verna. The standard range Tesla Model 3 costs around 47,000 US, which will be around 36 lakh Indian rupees. The point to be noted is, Tesla Model 3 comes with full self-driving, means car can drive itself in almost all the highways and some street roads. If you don't want full self-driving, then the cost will come down to 30 lakh Indian rupees. Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus is an electric car which has a 55 kW battery pack and can go 400 km on a single charge. All Tesla cars comes with 6 airbags and they are the safest cars ever made, with collision detection and avoidance system, ABS and autopilot. In India, Honda City costs 10 to 14 lakh Indian rupees and Hyundai Verna costs around 11 to 15 lakh rupees. All are exclusive showroom prices. And don't forget about the additional charges like registration, GST and road tax. The best thing about electric cars is they have GST of 5%, which is very low, and charges also comes under the same GST plan. So tax on Model 3 Standard Range Plus is 60 to 72,000 rupees. Now comes the interesting part. We can call it the ownership cost. If you drive Honda City for 50,000 kilometers, the money you would have paid for fuel and servicing alone will cost 2.5 lakh rupees. And for the Hyundai Vernas, the cost of ownership for 50,000 kilometers would be more than 2 lakh rupees. Oil companies sell the cars for lower price because they make money through servicing vehicles. So if any problem comes with your car, you will end up paying more money. The average lifespan of Honda City and Hyundai Verna are around 3 lakh kilometers. But very few cars even last 5 lakh kilometers. The ownership cost for 1 lakh kilometer for Honda City will be around 5 lakh rupees, whereas Hyundai Vernas will be around 4 lakh rupees if we don't have any repairs. If the car lasts 5 lakh kilometers, then the Honda City ownership cost will be around 25 lakh rupees and Hyundai Verna's ownership cost will be around 21 lakhs, considering that they don't have any repairs. So, after 5 lakh kilometers, the total money you would have spent on Honda City for purchasing and running the car will be more than 40 lakhs. For Hyundai Verna, the price and ownership cost will be around 35 lakhs, which is somewhat lower compared to Honda City, but very few Vernas lasts for 5 lakh kilometers compared to that of Honda Cities. Here comes the fun part. Point 1. Tesla Model 3 can be charged at home directly from the wall sockets. Point 2. We can charge them at superchargers and at homes combined. Point 3. We can install rooftop solar PV systems which can run the car for lower price than a Hero Splendor or TVS Exo or Honda Shine. If we charge the Tesla at home using only power from distribution company, then the ownership cost for 50,000 kilometers will be around 70,000 rupees in India. The same after 1 lakh kilometers will be around 1.5 lakh rupees, and after driving a Tesla for 5 lakh kilometers, the ownership cost will be around 7 lakhs only. Almost all Tesla lasts longer than 5 lakh kilometers. If any Tesla owner installs a rooftop solar PV system of about 4 to 8 kilowatts, based on his car usage with 42,000 rupees for 1 kilowatts in India after government subsidies, then the ownership cost will be around 22,000 rupees for 50,000 kilometers and around 45,000 rupees for 1 lakh kilometers. Consider that option also, which reduces the power plant pollution. For 5 lakh kilometers, the ownership cost will be around 2 lakhs, and after 8 lakh kilometers, there will be only servicing costs because the solar PV system can pay itself later. Tesla is currently introducing a 15 lakh kilometer car whose life lasts longer than 3 or more Honda Cities. If the car lasts 15 lakh kilometers, the cost of ownership will be 22 lakh rupees. After 15 lakh kilometers, Tesla Model 3 and its running cost sums up to around 57 lakhs. 3 Honda cities with 5 lakh kilometers and each car will sums up to 1 crore 20 lakhs, with which you can get 2 best possible Tesla cars and each of them lasts 15 lakh kilometers. And moreover, Tesla is a luxury car, whereas Honda City and Hyundai Verna are not luxury cars. Tesla requires service only after 2 years for brake fluid check and replacement, which costs around 6,000 rupees if replacement needed. A total of 30,000 rupees will be spending on servicing over a period of 8 years for Tesla Model 3. The best part is Tesla automatically diagnoses itself and will remind if any problem exists, and it can drive itself. So next time you purchase a car, consider thinking about ownership cost and reliability of the electric cars. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.